Good morning dear students, myself Jarar Khan and today I am going to teach you one most important topic of class 10th mathematics, and this is pair of linear equation in two variable. Actually this is a very large topic of the class 10th mathematics and very important for the mathematics for further classes, but in this video I am going to discuss that what are the type of the linear equation and what type of solution they can have. Okay. So first of all, just I want to tell you that what is the standard form of a linear equation and what is linear equation. So if something is given to you like as pair of linear equation. So in the case of the mathematics, if it is given to us that linear means any equation with degree 1, any equation with degree 1. If you have an equation in degree 1, that it is called linear equation, and if it is in two variable, so it is in two variable. So by this title we can write the standard linear equation in two variable, and it is like a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equals to 0. You can see this is the variable x and this is the variable y, and they have degree 1 and 1. So that's why this is linear equation in two variable x and y, where a1, b1, c1 are constant or real number, where they are constant. Similarly, if you are talking about pair of linear equation, so it should be one more, and we can write that also there is nothing going to change in the structure of the equation, only we will change the constant and write the same equation like that a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation, and it is also linear as because you can see the power of the variables are 1, linear, degree 1. Okay, so this is the standard form of the linear equation, and today I want to teach you that if you want to check that the linear equation have solution or not and what they called, so let's discuss them. You people know from very starting that the solution means, if you want to know that what is solution of any equation, so if we have a value of that variable which is existing in the equation, and we are going to solve that, we are putting that value in the equation, and after solution, after solving everything, if we are getting left hand equal to right hand, that point is called solution. And here we require two value of one for x and one for y. If we have two value, suppose x is equal to alpha and y is equal to beta, and we are putting these two alpha beta in this, and we are putting a1 alpha plus b1 beta, and this is LHS, and after solution we are getting RHS. So alpha and beta are called solution of this linear equation. But you will find that many times linear equation don't have any solution, and many times linear equation have infinite solution. So just I want to teach you that what is the condition that a linear equation have no solution or have infinite or have unique solution. Okay, and what they are called. So in this scene we will first of all we will know that there is a two type of the equation. First one is the consistent first equation, first type is consistent, and second one is the inconsistent. There are two type of the equation, consistent and inconsistent. So let's talk about consistent. Suppose you have two linear equation and they have solution, then they are called consistent, and if they don't have, they are called inconsistent. So what is the criteria to check that they have the solution? So suppose you have this pair of linear equation you have, and you want to check that they are consistent or not. So first of all just compare the given equation with the standard equation and find the value of a1 upon a2 and similarly B1 upon B2 and similarly C1 upon C2. Find these ratios. Alright, if you want to check that it is consistent or not, so first of all find these ratios, and there are three conditions. First, if A1 upon A2 does not equals to B1 upon B2, if A1 upon A2 does not equals to B1 upon B2, it will come under this condition, consistent, and this is the case of for the unique solution. For unique solution, that is, when you will plot the graph of these two linear equations, they will intersect each other like that. They will intersect each other. Okay. The second one is that if A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 is equals to C1 upon C2. Suppose you have something like that. So this is the condition. It will also came under this consistent term, and this is the type in which the equations have infinitely many solutions. And in this scenario, you will found that one line will be coincidence on the other. And so this is the case of the consistent. If you want to check that have how many solutions, so this is the criteria to check. And if you are getting this, solution is unique. If you are getting this, solution is infinite. But one more condition, suppose if you are getting this A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 does not equals to C1 upon C2. So this is the case where the linear equation, pair of linear equation have no solution, and this will came under this inconsistent word. Alright, so in this way we can check that the given linear equation have solution or not. If have solution, then which type, unique or coincidence or infinite, and if don't have, so it will no solution. Okay, so in this video it was the topic, and I will explain you the other topic in the next video. Thank you.